Pathology. Phlegm for phlegm is the origin of many diseases. Many diseases have phlegm. Phlegm is the origin wide and it usually gives syndrome indicates a condition where phlegm is the cause of most pathological changes. Thus, just because there is phlegm, it doesn't mean that there is a phlegm syndrome. Phlegm assumes many different forms, which contributes to causing very many different problems. For example, wind phlegm, cold phlegm, and phlegm heat. Phlegm easily damages the stomach and spleen. Phlegm obstructs the middle burner and very easily leads to deficiency of the stomach and spleen. In particular, the stomach is affected by phlegm, and prescriptions that resolve phlegm often have herbs that harmonize the stomach. On the tongue, chronic phlegm often manifests with a stomach crack with a sticky, dry coating inside it. Phlegm easily mixes with other pathogenic factors. Phlegm often mixes with wind, cold, heat, and dampness. Chinese doctors give various guidelines to follow in complicated chemical situations that often harbor phlegm. The following are some of them. In a strange disease treat phlegm, this refers to complicated clinical patterns with symptoms and signs that do not seem to fit into any pattern. For example, a strongly built man wakes up frequently during the night, dreams a lot, has a voracious appetite, and the tongue is swollen. This condition is most probably due to phlegm. Another example could be that of an elderly woman with palpitations, constipation, thirst, insomnia, and bitter taste. These manifestations could be due to phlegm heat. In complicated syndrome, treat phlegm. In acute, serious disease, treat phlegm. Example, with stroke, heart infarction, cancer. If you can see phlegm, treat phlegm. Thank you for your attention.